Diamonds are among the most valuable and fascinating natural gemstones on Earth. Many people discover rough stones and wonder, is this a real diamond or just an ordinary rock? While professional gemological testing is always the most reliable option, there are several simple at-home methods that can help you identify a rough diamond before taking it to an expert. This guide explains easy, practical and safe ways to check a rough diamond at home using common tools. Number 1. Visual inspection. First clue. Rough diamonds have unique natural characteristics. Usually not perfectly smooth, often have sharp edges and irregular crystal shapes, appear oily or greasy looking, strong natural luster, even without polishing. Tip: if the stone looks rounded like a river pebble, it is likely not a diamond. Number 2. Transparency and light test. Hold the stone under a strong light. Real diamonds do not reflect light like glass. Light entering a diamond scatters instead of passing straight through. You cannot clearly see through a real rough diamond. If the stone looks clear like quartz or glass, it is likely fake. Number 3. Scratch test. Use with caution. Diamonds are the hardest natural material on Earth. Try scratching a piece of glass. A real diamond will scratch glass easily. Fake stones may leave no mark or break. Warning: this test can damage fake stones and should be done carefully for density, water test. Drop the stone into a glass of water. Real diamonds sink immediately. Lightweight stones may float or sink slowly. This test helps eliminate very light imitations but does not confirm 100% authenticity. Number 5. Heat resistance test. Diamonds resist heat extremely well. 1. Heat the stone for about 30 to 40 seconds. 2. Drop it quickly into cold water. A real diamond will not crack. Fake stones often shatter or crack. Perform this test carefully and only on unmounted stones. Number 6. Fog test. Breathe on the stone as if fogging a mirror. Real diamonds disperse heat instantly. The fog disappears immediately. Fake stones stay foggy longer. This is one of the easiest and safest tests. 7. Shape and crystal structure. Rough diamonds often form octahedral or cubic shapes. Sharp, natural crystal edges, not rounded like quartz or river stones. Learning diamond crystal shapes can help you identify them quickly. Common stones. Mistaken for rough diamonds: quartz, cubic zirconia, topaz, glass, calcite. These stones may look similar but lack diamond hardness and light behavior. Important note: home tests are only preliminary methods. To be 100% certain, always consult a certified gemologist or use professional tools like diamond testers, refractive index tests, lab certification, GIA-IGI. Conclusion: testing a rough diamond at home is exciting and educational. By using simple methods such as visual inspection, water testing, scratch testing, and fog tests, you can eliminate many fake stones. However, only professional testing guarantees authenticity.